Hi, just going to do a quick unboxing of the Soundpeats Q30 HD headphones. So in the box we have QR codes for the official site of Soundpeats, and where you can register your warranty and you get a trial privilege and promotions. So let's see what else is in the box. Okay. So in the bag, what we get is the ear adapters, a little clip for the cable, a nice little clip for the adapter, ear adapters, 1, 2, 3, 2 clips, and how many of these guys? 3, 4 of those, and different size earbuds, and the micro USB cable to charge up the headphones. Also you get the instruction manual. So here we can see some information about the Soundpeats, and then we get the product diagram, see the specs, and press and hold, see how the headphones function, the shortcuts, the colors of the LED, and how you pair, charging, care, and the warranty. So yeah, so just your basic instructions on how you use the headphones, and again what you should get in the box. So if I open the box, you get the headphones and the little storage area as well inside, like the case. So just open them up, and there you can, they're a nice length to go around your neck, and they already have the adapters on it, and again there's a nice magnetic pull so that it'll keep them nice and tight. Again, you have your charging port, your micro USB charging port, and the flap to keep it watertight. And then you have your buttons for your play, power on, and your volume down, your volume up, and your play pause. So yeah, they look quite nice, and they look nice, strong, and I like the length of the cable is quite long. Yeah, so I look forward to trying them out and see what the sound quality is like on them, and yeah, I'll report back.